Welcome to NextGen Money Trends, where we make complex financial concepts accessible and actionable for the next generation of wealth builders. The way we think about money is changing at breakneck speed. What seemed like science fiction just a few years ago is now becoming our financial reality. From the coins in your pocket to the apps on your phone, every aspect of money is being reimagined. Today, we're diving into 6 trends that aren't just shaping the future of money, they're reshaping it right now. And if you're not paying attention, you might get left behind. Let's start with something that's making headlines around the world: Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs. Think of CBDCs as the digital version of your country's currency, but issued directly by the central bank. It's like having digital cash that's backed by the government, not a private company. Over 100 countries are now exploring or piloting CBDCs. China is already testing its digital yuan with millions of users, while the Federal Reserve is seriously considering a digital dollar. The European Central Bank is moving forward with the digital euro. Why does this matter to you? Well, CBDCs could make payments instant, reduce transaction costs, and give governments unprecedented visibility into spending patterns. But they also raise questions about privacy and financial freedom that we'll need to navigate carefully. The second trend is artificial intelligence completely transforming how we invest. We're not just talking about robo-advisors anymore, though those are becoming incredibly sophisticated. AI is now analyzing market sentiment from social media, predicting stock movements using satellite imagery, and even reading corporate earnings calls to detect emotional cues from CEOs. For everyday investors like us, this means access to tools that were once reserved for Wall Street giants. Apps are using AI to optimize your portfolio in real time, automatically rebalance based on market conditions, and even predict your future financial needs. But here's the kicker. As AI becomes more prevalent, it's also changing market dynamics. When algorithms can trade in milliseconds, traditional investment strategies might need a complete rethink. The opportunity here is huge. AI can help you make better financial decisions with less effort. But you'll need to understand how these tools work to use them effectively. Third up, cryptocurrency is finally going mainstream, and it's happening faster than most people expected. We've moved way beyond Bitcoin being just a speculative asset. Major corporations like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. PayPal and Visa are integrating crypto payments. Even traditional banks like JP Morgan are offering crypto services to clients. But the real game changer is regulatory clarity. As governments establish clearer rules, institutional investors are feeling more comfortable entering the space. We're seeing crypto ETFs, dedicated crypto investment funds, and major pension funds starting to allocate to digital assets. For individual investors, this means crypto is becoming less of a Wild West and more of a legitimate asset class. You're seeing better custody solutions, lower fees, and more user-friendly platforms. The key here isn't to go all in on crypto, but to understand how it might fit into a diversified portfolio as the infrastructure continues to mature. The fourth trend is the evolution of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is essentially rebuilding the entire financial system on blockchain technology, without traditional intermediaries like banks. You can lend money, borrow funds, trade assets, and earn yield, all through smart contracts that execute automatically. What started as an experimental playground is now handling billions of dollars in transactions. The user experience is getting smoother, the risks are becoming better understood, and the yields can still be quite attractive compared to traditional savings accounts. But here's what's really exciting. DeFi is enabling financial innovation at a pace we've never seen before. New financial products are being created weekly, not yearly. However, this space still requires careful navigation. Smart contract risks, regulatory uncertainty, and high volatility mean you need to do your homework. But for those willing to learn, DeFi represents one of the most significant shifts in finance since the internet. Trend number 5, finance is disappearing into everything else. and everything else is becoming financial. We're seeing the rise of embedded finance, where financial services are seamlessly integrated into non-financial platforms. You can get a loan while shopping online, invest while ordering coffee, or get insurance when booking a ride. Companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon aren't just adding payment features, they're becoming full-service financial institutions. Apple Card, Google Pay, and Amazon Lending show how tech giants are using their massive user bases to offer competitive financial services. In other parts of the world, super apps like WeChat Pay and Grab are already there. You can message friends, order food, invest in stocks, and pay bills, all from the same app. For consumers, this means more convenience and often better rates, since these companies can cross-subsidize financial services with their other businesses. But it also means your financial data is becoming even more valuable and concentrated in fewer hands. Finally, let's talk about sustainable and impact investing. It's not just a trend, it's becoming the standard. ESG investing, environmental, social, and governance factors, is experiencing explosive growth. We're not talking about small niche funds anymore. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has made sustainability central to their investment approach. Younger investors are driving this change. They want their money to align with their values, and they're willing to make investment decisions based on more than just returns. Climate change, social justice, and corporate governance are becoming key investment criteria. Data shows that sustainable investing isn't just about feeling good. Many ESG funds are outperforming traditional benchmarks. As regulations tighten around climate disclosure and social responsibility, companies with strong ESG practices are becoming better long-term investments. This trend is creating new opportunities in clean energy, sustainable agriculture, and social impact bonds. But it's also changing how we evaluate all investments, not just dedicated ESG funds. So there you have it, 6 trends that are reshaping the future of money. From government digital currencies to AI-powered investing, from mainstream crypto adoption to sustainable finance, the financial landscape is evolving rapidly. The key takeaway? Stay curious, stay informed, and start experimenting with these technologies in small, manageable ways. The future of money isn't something that happens to you. It's something you can actively participate in shaping. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on navigating the evolving world of finance and investment technology. Until next time, keep building that next-gen wealth.